my name is Nisha and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to solve this problem. What is the value of x if 4 to the power square root x plus 1 minus 2 to the power square root x plus 1 plus 2 equals 0. So here two terms and this term we can transfer right side. So 4 to the power square root x plus 1 and here equal this term transfer right side, so this will be positive. 2 to the power square root x plus 1 plus 2. Okay. 4 because when we compare both sides, so we have to make same base. So 4 we can write 2 to the power 2 and to the power square root x plus 1 equal 2 to the power square root x plus 1 plus 2. Very simple question, just follow my steps. Here 2 to the power 2 to the power square root x plus 1. So here we can apply this formula. If a to the power m to the power n equal a to the power m multiply n. So here power to the power, it means multiply. 2 to the power 2 times square root x plus 1. And this is 2 to the power square root x plus 1 plus 2. Now base are same, so power are also equal. Okay. So we can easily write 2 square root x plus 1 equal square root x plus 1 plus 2. This term and this term are like terms, so we can shift one side. This square root x plus 1 we can shift left side, so it will be negative. 2 square root x plus 1 minus square root x plus 1 equal to 2 square root x plus 1 square root x plus 1 will be 1 because 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So we can write square root x plus 1 equal 2. Now we don't want a square root, so both side taking square. Square root and square cancel, just x plus 1, and here 2 square is 4. Now both sides subtract 1, so 4 minus 1 3, and this is the answer. Very simple question. Just follow these steps, we can check our answer is correct or not. So 4 square root x value we got 3, so 3 plus 1 minus 2, 3 plus 1 plus 2, and we will check it will get a 0 or not. 4 and square root 4 minus 2 square root 4 plus 2. Okay. Square root 4 is 2 minus 2. Square root 4 is 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So 4 square minus 2 to the power 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 square is 16 and 2 to the power 4 is also 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. So our answer x is equal to 3 is the correct answer. Very easy question, just follow my steps. And if you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you know another way to solve this problem, so please share with me. Bye. Have a great day.